Once you have your bike out of the box, you will place it upside down with the handlebar on, and then we're going to adjust the brakes. First step, you're going to mount the front tire onto the fork. Once that's on there, you're gonna want to make sure that this piece right here with the little L shape, this top part goes in that hole in the middle. Then you're going to put the flat washer. Afterwards, you're gonna put the bolt, and you're going to hand tighten them both. Try to hand tighten them both at the same time to make sure that the tire doesn't shift, therefore causing any issues with brakes. Once you hand tighten it, you're gonna want to use a tool and turn it about a quarter of the way on each side. Do it for each side about 2-3 times until it's fully tight. Once the wheel is on, we're going to flip the bike over, and then we are going to adjust the brakes. You're going to want to connect the brakes. Once it's connected, we're going to check to make sure that it's working and that it's not rubbing. In this case, it's rubbing a little bit, so now we're going to adjust it. It looks like it's rubbing on this side, so we're going to adjust this side to make sure that it picks up from the rim so it doesn't rub. In order to adjust this side to push this off the rim so it doesn't rub, you're going to want to look at this little black screw, and you're going to turn it to the right. Do it slightly and then spin the wheel to see if it's completely off. If it is still rubbing after you adjust it a little bit, loosen the other side just a little bit. So turn it to the left. As you can see, after adjusting it, the tire spins more freely now. If you're not having enough brake pressure when you press the brakes, you're gonna want to loosen this up a little bit and push this wire towards the outside so that when you squeeze, it presses harder, therefore giving you better brake pressure. And now your bike should be adjusted with the brakes.